When an AI system fails, who actually owns that failure? Last week, the question was, are we even building the right thing with AI? This week, I want to dig one level deeper. So let's talk about system problem in AI implementations. Standards for AI exist from groups like NIST, ISO, the EU AI Act, real frameworks, and a lot of decisions are still left to individual companies. Means adoption of these standards is mostly voluntary right now. And that's the system problem. We are building on components that don't stay stable, and we don't fully agree on how to handle that yet. And I feel this needs to be discussed more. Think about the Tapio phone example from last week. When digital payments were taking off, the industry didn't rush to build product first. Over time, networks and banks collaborated through groups like EMECO to define shared standards before everything scaled on top of it. That took years, but that's why today that infrastructure sits underneath billions of transactions and it just works without you thinking about it. With AI, we may have done it the other way around, product first and foundation later. I'm not saying that's wrong. I'm saying we might feel the weight of that decision soon. Models get deprecated, APIs change without much notice, same input, different output, and it's hard to recreate past results once the API or models evolve. When something fails like this, who owns it? Is it the model provider, the application, or the platform team? That question doesn't have a clear answer yet. And I think the people who understand both the system and the domain, not just one or the other, are the ones who need to be in this conversation. Next week, I am going to talk about the human side of this because the system problem has a twin, and that might be the harder one to fix. If this is something you have been thinking about too, send this to someone who you think should be part of this conversation. And I will see you next week.